A very happy morning to you, my dear students. And as we all know, we have finished with our first semester examination. Now we are going to begin with the new portion for our second periodical. So, for second periodical, our first lesson is for subject general knowledge for standard 5. We begin with lesson number 16. What is the name of the lesson? Amazing roller coasters in the world. Children, I know you all love roller coasters. Yes, children love them in particular. Why? Because it's very thrilling. Yes, scary, डर तो लगता है, फिर भी बहुत मज़ा भी आता है. But students, do remember, roller coasters are thrilling. But remember, some are only for people above certain height. हर रोलर कोस्टर राइड्स में लिखा होता है कि आपकी हाइट इतनी होनी चाहिए 5, 2. So you have to follow those instructions, and according to that height and age, you will sit on those rides. Otherwise, it will be dangerous and you may even fall from those rides. So never ride a roller coaster not fit for you. This is one thing you will always follow, right? So now text page 24. I hope you are ready with your pencils. So as we see the different roller coasters of the world, we are going to write the names. So this is the first picture. World's tallest, सबसे ऊंचा, tallest steel roller coaster with a height of 139 meter. And what is the name of this roller coaster? Write down the name. Kingda, K-I-N-G-D-A-K-A. Kingda, Six Flags Great Adventure. And where is it? In New Jersey, United States. And you can see the height, 139 meter, tallest world's roller coaster. Next one. This is the world's fastest roller coaster. And what is the speed? 240 kilometer per hour. And look at the picture, look at the reaction on the face. उनके face पे जो feel हो रहा है, उससे आपको पता चलता है कि what speed it is. So it is a fastest roller coaster. And what is the name of that roller coaster? Formula Rossa. Formula-Rossa. Written correctly? It is in Ferrari World, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Remember the name? Formula Rossa. Okay. Next one. The world's tallest. Kingda ka bhi tallest tha, but it was made of steel. But this is made of wood. So world's tallest wooden roller coaster with a height of 60 meter. What is the name? Colossus. C-O-L-O-S-S-O-S. It is in Heide Park, Lower Saxony, Germany. Okay, it is made of wood. Next, this is also fastest, world fastest, but this is wooden roller coaster with a speed of 116 kilometer per hour. Okay, excuse me. You can see how long, wide it is. What is the name of this roller coaster? Goliath. G-O-L-I-A-T-H. Six Flags Great America, Chicago, United States. Fastest, but it is made of wood. The roller coaster with the most number of inversion, सबसे ज़्यादा बार उल्टा जाता है. Okay, and how many times inversion? Inversion means upside down जाता है. Okay, how many times? 14 times. You can see here 1, 2, and how many times it happens? 14 times. So the world most number of inversion roller coaster. And what is the name? Do you feel like smiling when you are going 14 times inward? No. But still the name of this roller coaster is the Smiler. S-M-I-L-E-R. Okay. And it is very scary. आपको बहुत डर लगेगा. But इसका नाम तो रखा है Smiler. Okay. Staffordshire. It is in UK. And this is having double feature. The world's tallest भी है. Tallest roller coaster with tallest inversion. वो सबसे ऊंचा जाकर उस ऊंचाई पे वो उल्टा भी होता है. So this is the world tallest roller coaster with the tallest inversion. And at what height it goes upside down? 52 meter above the ground. And there it takes the inversion. And what is the name of this? Gatekeeper. It's in Ohio, US. So you can see this roller coaster, and when it is at the height of 52 meter above, it takes the inversion. Okay. So I hope you had a wonderful experience knowing the interesting facts of these roller coasters. Do learn the names of these roller coasters. Happy learning. God bless you all.